Hi, my name is Maggie Vallette, and I am from Prairie Village, Kansas. I live here with my husband of almost 7 years, our 3-year-old daughter, and our 6-month-old son. So we have had quite the busy year with working and welcoming our little boy in school. So it's just kind of been a roller coaster of a year for sure. I just finished up my 9th year of teaching, and I currently teach kindergarten. I have taught in the past. I've taught English as a second language, first grade, and fifth grade as well. However, I really have a passion for teaching with primary students, and then hopefully, possibly being a library media specialist someday. The district that I teach in is in a large district in the Kansas City area. The school that I am at currently is a Title I school. However, we lost that status, so as of next year, we will not be at a Title I school, and it'll be interesting because I've only taught at Title I, and so that'll be interesting to see how that changes the dynamic next year. As far as my coursework for Library Media Specialist, this will be my second course that I will be taking towards that degree. However, I am also taking the Advanced Literature course this summer as well. So I am hoping to hopefully graduate next spring. So I am really looking forward to learning more in this course and just diving into a lot more information about being a library media specialist. So I look forward to learning alongside all of you this summer.